Proportion. For learning objectives. By the end of this section, you should be able to describe one quantity as a proportion of another, solve problems involving proportion. Proportion is a way of comparing a subset to the set or a part against a whole. What proportion of the fruit are apples? Six out of 10, or we write 6/10 like a fraction, but we read it as 6 out of 10. This is correct, but you should always give proportion in its simplest form. So the same way we would with a fraction, we can cancel that down, so 6/10 would reduce to 3/5. Of the fruits along the top, what proportion of the fruits are? Answer the questions. So pause the video, work through it, and once you've got your answers, come back and check them. Questions 7 and 8, slightly trickier, just think about them and you should get there. So pause the video now and come back once you've done it. Right, so for oranges, you have 1 out of 6. Apples, 1 out of 3. Pears, 2 out of 9. Pears and lemons, so we add the pears and the lemons and see what proportion they are of all the fruits. 1 in 3. Apples and pears, 5 out of 9. Plums and oranges, 1 out of 3. So what 2 fruits are 4 out of 9 of all of the fruits? So there may be only a couple of answers to this, but one of them is apples and lemons, and oranges, and which 2 other fruits would be 1 out of 2 of all the fruits, or 1 in 2 of all the fruits? Pears, oranges and lemons. Again, that might not be a unique answer, but that's an example. A few more questions for you to work out here. They're worded or just numbers. So work through them. What you got to think about as well here is as you come down there, if the units are not the same measurement, you have to change it to the same unit to start off with. So question 9 and 10 get a bit trickier, but work through them as best you can and then come back and check your answers. So pause the video now. Question 1 is a half. 2, 2/9. 3, 1 in 3. 4, 1/6. 5, 3 out of 20. 6, again these are the ones we've got to change into the same unit, so it would be 30 out of 140. Give us 3 and 14. 7, 2 out of 7. And 8, 5 out of 24. 9 was getting a bit tricky. The answer is 1 in 5. So when we look at question 10, why can there not be 30 children in a class? Because 30 is not divisible by 7. If we're not sure of it, I will explain it to you later. But for now, that's it there. And if there are less than 30 children in a class, what's the maximum number of girls that could be in a class? Well, the maximum number is 16. If you got any of them wrong, go back, have a look at them. Don't worry too much about question 10. If you can work through it, that would be good.